What's going on, HPP fam? Welcome back to another episode. I'm JD, and in this blank space there would be Geo, but the person you're trying to reach is currently unavailable. Geo will be in later today. We are rocking and rolling on another week. You guys have missed a few days because I left the camera at home, but that's okay. Let me get you up to speed. We did a rear main seal on that Ram. It's now outside. I'll show you guys in a minute. It is all wrapped up, ready to go home. We also had JP's beautiful Hellcat red-eye jailbreak in. We changed some of the adjustment tabs on the AAD lower arms. He just picked up and left this morning. Masons, you guys seen last week. Man, made some killer power. I went and drove the car yesterday, or the truck. Ooh, watch out, baby! Should be getting after it. But in the meantime, we had our next victim drop off this morning, and that is this beautiful orange C8 Corvette with temp tags on it. This thing is receiving a Corsa exhaust system, so let me go ahead and fire this thing up. I know there's other videos on the internet, but I'm excited to make ours. So we're gonna fire this thing up, see what it sounds like, and then we'll get the Corsa exhaust on, fire it up again, get you guys a little comparison. Sounds pretty good, but we're about to make it sound even better. Alright guys, as you can see, we have the back of the C8 tore apart and the factory exhaust system removed. Now we're going to take our active valving off of the factory system because it gets transferred to the new Corsa system, but pretty interesting. Also, side note, shout out to those guys. They're here to fix the lift. So guys, one last look at the bottom really quick. Got her all wrapped up. I'm gonna go ahead and put these lower plastics on and get this big hunk of junk out of the way. And just like that, our C8 is all back together. So let's go ahead and give this Corsa first fire up. It's the next beautiful morning, and if you look at that, wha-bam, the Mississippi whip is back together. I would say 90%. We still got to put the hood back on, crossbar, a few other things, but as you can see, it's back together. I threw Boo on the rack real quick to throw a part on I got in the mail the other day, and that is this diff brace. Now, if you look at it, it looks very similar to some other diff braces. But I got this one off of Amazon for 50 bucks. Fits perfectly. It's better than nothing. And it was cheap. And normally I don't advocate for cheap parts, but I will test cheap parts. And if they fit and they work, I'll be sure to let you guys know. Ooh, don't be looking under here. Secret sauce, baby. So guys, to close out this video, as you've seen, Mason's is all wrapped up. We're waiting on a catch can. That will be here Tuesday. We'll get that wrapped up, get it on back. We got Mr. Wilson's in. We're gonna be popping it back out. But we got it in because we needed to get some parts out because Gio is assembling his engine over here. So once we get the engine fully assembled, Mr. Wilson's will come back in. Anywho, so Mississippi will be hitting the dyno next week. We got a couple of cam packages in, so next week you'll be seeing, I think, multiple cam jobs happen. For sure one, maybe two. But that's gonna do it for this week's episode, guys. Hope you enjoyed the content. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next episode. Peace. Yeah.